Want to know how to add recurring tasks in Asana and keep your workflow flowing effortlessly? Stay tuned, because I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set up tasks that repeat automatically, saving you tons of time. Whether you're managing a project or handling personal tasks, recurring tasks can help you stay on track without doing the same thing over and over. First things first, before we dive in, remember that you can use Asana for completely free through the first link in the description below, with exclusive bonuses that'll make managing your tasks even easier. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share how you can get an extended free trial of this amazing software. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open your task in Asana. If you don't have a task set up yet, create one by clicking the plus button and adding a task. Once you've got a task ready, click on it to open up the task details. Next thing, in the task details, you'll see a section called Due Date. This is where you can set when the task needs to be completed. To make this task recurring, click on the calendar icon next to the due date. The third thing you'll do now is to set the task to repeat. You'll notice an option that says Set to Repeat. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a few different options. You can set the task to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly, depending on how often you need it to show up. The fourth thing is customizing the frequency. Let's say you want this task to repeat every Monday at 9 a.m. Simply select Weekly, and then choose Every Monday, then set the time you want the task to be due. This ensures the task repeats automatically every week on the same day and time. Now, the fifth thing you should know is that Asana lets you customize when the recurring task ends. You can choose to have the task stop repeating after a certain number of occurrences or at a specific date. This can be helpful if you only need something to repeat for a short period. Next thing, make sure to save your task after setting it up. Once you click Done, the task will automatically reappear according to the schedule you've set. You'll be able to see it in your task list, and Asana will remind you when it's time to get it done. The seventh thing is a little tip to make your life even easier. You can set recurring tasks for multiple projects at once. This can be especially useful if you're working on different projects that share similar tasks or deadlines. By now, you've seen how easy it is to add recurring tasks in Asana and keep everything organized automatically. And just to remind you, if you want to make the most of this tool, you can start using Asana completely for free through the link below. Plus, I've got an extended free trial offer for you. Now, you're ready to streamline your task management and eliminate the repetitive work of creating tasks every time. If you want to learn more tips and tricks for Asana, keep an eye out for more videos. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the exclusive bonus offer below.